السلام عليكم أعزائنا الطلبة. اليوم محاضرتنا الفيديوية راح تكون عن lecture 1 المحاضرة الأولى about Word 2010 واللي هو واحد من تطبيقات مايكروسوفت أوفيس. Introduction. Word 2010 is a word processor that allows you to create various types of documents such as letter, paper, flyers, fax, and more. Word 2010 is a bit different from earlier various, so even if you have used Word before, you should take some time to familiarize yourself with interfaces. The toolbars are similar to those in Word 2007. It is important to know how to perform basic tasks with text. When working in a word processing application, you will learn the basics of working with text, including how to insert, delete, select, copy, cut, paste, and drag and drop text, and format the font, size, style, and color, highlight the text, and use the bold, italic, underline, and change case command. Quick access toolbar. This the quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar is located above the ribbon, and it lets you access command on matter which tab you are on, but default it shows the save, undo, and repeat commands. You can add other commands to make it more convenient for you. Add command to the quick access toolbar. 1. Click drop down arrow the right of the quick access toolbar to select the command you wish to add from the drop down menu. It will appear in the quick access toolbar. This. Okay. Now, the ruler. This called a ruler. The ruler is located the top and the left of your document. It makes it easier to adjust your document with precision. If you want, you can hide the ruler to free up more screen space. To hide or view the ruler, click the view ruler icons over the scroll bar to hide the ruler here. To show the ruler, click the view ruler. Creating and opening documents. Word fields are called documents. Whenever you start a new project in Word, you need to create a new document which can either be blank or form a template. You will also need to know how to open an existing document. To create a new blank document. This steps to create a new blank document. Click the File tab. This takes you to Backstage view. Select New. Select blank document under Available Template. It will be a highlight by default. Yeah. This blank. 4. Click Create a new blank document appears in the Word window here. To save time, you can create your document from a template, which you can select from the new document pane. You will tell we will talk about template in a later lesson. Open an existing document. Click the File tab. This takes you this takes you to Backstage View. Select Open. The Open dialog box appears. Opening document, like this face. If you have opened a file recently, you can also access it from the recent document list. Just click on the File tab and then select Recent. Here, like this. File tab and click Recent. Working with text. If you are new to Microsoft Word, you will need to learn the basics of working with text so that you can type, recognize, and edit text. You will need to know how to insert, delete, and move text, as well as how to find and replace specific words or first. To insert text, move your mouse to the location you wish text to appear in the document. 2. Click the mouse, the insertion point appears. 3. Type the text you wish to appear. To delete text, please place the insertion point next to the text you wish to delete. Press the backspace key on your computer, in your keyboard in your computer, to delete text to the left of the insertion point. 3. Press the delete key on your computer keyboard in your computer to delete text to the right of the insertion point. Select a text, please place to insertion point next to the text you wish to select. Click the mouse and while holding it down, drag your mouse over the text to select it. Release the mouse button. You have selected the text. A highlight box will appear here. Will appear over the selected text. When you select text or image in Word, hover toolbar with formatting option appears. This makes formatting command easy accessible, which may save you time. If the toolbar does not appear at first, try moving the mouse over the selections. To copy and paste text, select the text you wish to copy. Step 2. Click the copy command on the Home tab. You can also right-click your document and select copy. Here, this figure. Step 3. Place your insertion point where you wish the text to appear. Step 4. Click the paste command on the Home tab. The text will appear here. To cut and paste text، قص النص ولصقه في مكان آخر. الخطوات هي كالآتي. Number 1. Step 1. Select the text you wish to copy. 2. Click the cut command on Home tab. Can also right-click your document and select cut. Step 3. Place your insertion point where you wish the text to appear. Step 4. Click the paste command on Home tab, the text will appear. You can also cut, copy, and paste by right-clicking your document and choosing the desired action from the drop-down menu. When you use this method to paste, you can choose from the three options that determine how the text will be formatted: keep source formatting, marriage formatting, and keep text only. You can, however, the mouse over each icon, see what it will look like before you click on it. To drag and drop text. Step 1. Select the text you wish to copy. Step 2. Click and drag the text to the location you wish it to appear. The cursor will have a rectangle under it to indicate that you are moving text. Step 3. Release the mouse button and the text will appear. If text does not appear in the exact location you wish, you can click the enter key on your keyboard to move the text to a new line. Find and replace. إيجاد واستبدال للتكست اللي احنا نحتاجه. When you are working with longer document, it can be difficult and time consuming to locate a specific word or phrase. Word can automatically search your document using the find feature, and it even always you to change word or phrases using replace. To find text, the step 1. From the Home tab, click the Find command. The navigation pane will appear on the left side of the screen. Step 2. Type the text you wish to find in the field at the top of navigation pane. Step 3. If the text is found in the document, it will be highlighted in yellow and a preview will appear in the navigation pane. Step 4. If the text appears more than once, you can click the arrows on the navigation pane to step through the result. You can also click the result preview on the navigation pane to jump to the location of a result in your document. Step 5 is the end of steps. When you choose the navigation pane, the highlight will disappear. تختفي التضليل بعد اختيارك للكلمة اللي تبحث عنها. To replace text, from the Home tab, click the Replace command. The Find and Replace dialog box will appear. Step 2. Type the text you wish to find in the Find What field. Step 3. Type the text you wish to replace it within the Replace with field. Click Find Text and Replace to replace text. You can also click Replace All to replace all instances within the document. Formatting text. Formatting text can emphasize important information and help organize your document. In Word, you have many options for adjusting the font of your text, including size, color, and inserting special symbols. You can also adjust the alignment of the text to change how it displays on the page. To change the font size, the first step, select the text you wish to modify. Step 2. Click the drop down arrow next to the font size box on the Home tab. A drop down menu appears. Step 3. Move the mouse pointer over the various font size. A live preview of the font size will appear in the document, like here. Step 4. Select the font size you wish to use. You can also use the grow font and shrink font command to change the size. To change the font, select the text you wish to modify. Click drop down arrow next to the font box on the Home tab. The font drop down menu appears. Move the mouse pointer over the various fonts. A live preview of the font will appear in the document. To change the font, select the font you wish to use. The font will change in the document. To change the font color, step 1, select the text you wish to modify. Step 2, click the font color drop down arrow on the Home tab. The font color menu appears. Step 3, move mouse pointer over the various font color. A live preview of the color will appear in the document. التغيير here in Home tab. Step 4 is the last step. Select the font color you wish to use. The font color will change in the document. Your color choice are not limited to the drop down menu that appears. Select more colors. في حالة انه الالوان تحتاج الوان بعد اكثر يمكن تختار more colors here if you need. At the bottom of the list axis, the color in dialog box. Choose the color that you want and click OK. 6.4 to highlight text. تظليل التكست. From the Home tab, click the text highlight color, drop down arrow, the highlight color menu appears. Yeah. This faces for highlight text in Home tab. Step 2, select the desired highlight color. Step 3, select the text you wish to modify. It will then be highlighted. Highlighted text. And the last step, to switch back to the normal course, click the text highlight color command. 6.5 to use the bold, italic and underline commands. 1. Select the text you wish to modify. Click the bold, the letter B is bold, italic E or underline U command if the font group on the Home tab. All this B italic to text or bold to text or underline text in group font. 6.6 to change the text case. Select the text you wish to modify. Step 2. Click the change case command in the font group on the Home tab. Step 3. Select the desired case option from that list. To change the text legend. الليجنت هو تحديد بداية القراءة من اليسار لليمين، توسيط أو من اليمين لليسار from left to right, from right to left and the middle the page. Select the text you wish to modify. Select one of the four alignment options from the paragraph group on Home tab. Elegant text left. Elegant, they select to the left margin. Center. Elegant text and equal distance from the left and right margins. Elegant text right. Elegant all the select text to the right margin. Justify. Justify text is equal on both sides and lines up equally to the right and left margins. Many newspapers and magazines use full justifications. How to save documents. كيفية حفظ الوثائق. Wherever you create a new document in Word, you will need to know how to save it in order to access and edit it later. Word allows you to save your document in number of ways. 7.1 To use the Save As command. Save As always you to choose a name and location for your document. It's useful if you have first created a document or if you want to save a different version of document while keeping the original. Click File tab to choose this way. Click File tab. Step 2. Select Save As. Step 3. The Save As dialog box will appear here. Select the location here. Here. Select the location where you wish to save the document. Enter name for the document and click Save. If you are using Windows 7, you will usually want to save things to your document library, and in our version of Windows you will save them in My Document folder. For more information, check out our lessons on the Windows 7 and Windows XP. To use the Save command, click the Save command on the Quick Access toolbar. Step 2. The document will be saved in its current location with the same file name. If you are saving for the first time and select Save, the Save As dialog box will appear. To save as a PDF, if I need to save the Word as a PDF, you can go to the File tab. Step 2. Select the Save As. Step 3. In the Save As type drop down menu, select PDF. 4. Select the location you wish to save the document. Enter a name for the document. Click the Save button. Is the last step. Printing. In a previous version of Word, there was a printer preview option that allowed you to see exactly what the document looked like before printing it. You may have noticed that this feature seems to be gone in Word 2010. It actually hasn't disappeared. It's just been combined with the print window to create the print pane, which is located in Backstage View. To view the print pane, step 1, click the File tab to go to Backstage View. Step 2, select Print. the print pane appears with the print setting on the left and the preview on the right. Click the button and the interactive blue to learn about the print pane. To print, go to the print pane. If you only want to print certain page, you can type a range of page. Otherwise, select print all page. Step 3. Select the number of copies. Check the calculate box if you are printing multiple copies of a multi-page document. Step 5. Select printer. تختار جهاز الطابعة الرقم معين طبعا حسب الطابعة اللي تنصبها على الحاسة مالك. From the drop down list click print button. احنا لحد الان وصلنا thanks for attention. طبعا شكرا جزيلا لاصغائكم. نلتقي في حلقة قادمة فيديوين ان شاء الله لإكمال